Good morning, students. Today we are going to study Social Science of Class 8. Chapter 3 Water Resources. Let's see some facts and figures regarding water. Our Earth is called a watery planet. This is because three-fourths of it's covered with water. Scientists have estimated that the amount of water on Earth has remained the same in 2 billion years. 97% of water is the ocean is saline and unfit for human consumption. Of the remaining 2%, two-thirds is locked up as ice sheet and glacier. Only 1% fresh water, which is 14 million cubic kilometer, is found in river, lake and ponds and wells. Forms of water: solid, liquid, gas. Sources of fresh water. Let's see. First source of fresh water is surface water. Surface water, this is the fresh water which we have in river, lake, streams, pond, etc. The primary source of fresh water is precipitation. Underground water. Water which is present below the surface is called underground water. We extract it by digging wells and tube wells which are fed by aquifers. Rainwater. One of the purest form of water is rainwater. Scarcity of water, or we can say, what is water scarcity? Water scarcity is lack of sufficient fresh water resources available to meet the demand of water usage within a region. Water shortage is a recurring problem in most parts of Africa, West Asia and large part of South Asia, Western USA, Northwest Mexico, parts of South America, nearly all of Australia. About 36 countries are experiencing water scarcity. Causes of water scarcity. Let's see the causes one by one. Unequal distribution of rainfall. In India, it varies from 250 centimeter in northeastern states to less than 10 centimeter in Rajasthan. Rainfall is also not spread evenly over the year. Almost 80% of the rainfall occur during the four monsoon seasons. Global warming. Global warming is changing rainfall pattern. Also, high temperature increases the evaporation. Population. Increase in population causes disproportionate increase in the demand for water. Urbanization. Urbanization has changed the water consumption pattern. The urban consumer uses a lot of water. Modern agriculture technology. Modern agricultural technology involve the use of chemical fertilizers as also increase the demand for irrigation water. There are many more causes for water shortage. Let's see the uses of water. Water can be used for domestic purpose, for example, drinking, washing clothes, washing car, etc. Water can be used for irrigational purpose, or we can say agricultural purpose, for example, irrigational purpose. Water can be used for industrial purpose also. Let's see the problem of water quality. Poor water quality. Not only scarcity of water major problem, the poor quality of water is also worrying. Both the surface water and groundwater have numerous impurities. 80% of all disease in developing countries happened due to contaminated water. Underground water get polluted by seepage from landfills, septic tanks and underground tanks filled with oil, chemicals or hazardous waste dumps. We can purify these waters by purification method, examples like UV method, distillation and filtration method. Conservation of water resources. How can we conserve water resources? We can conserve by saving rainwater, like plant trees and other vegetation to check runoff and allow rainwater to seep underground, restoring traditional ponds, tanks and lakes to restore the rainwater, allow percolation of water into ground by constructing dams. Through irrigation water, adopted agricultural practice that need less water losses can be prevented by concrete or brick lining of canals to check seepage loss, switch to organic farming and dry farming method and grow drought resistant crops. Through industrial consumed water, we can use or recycle water for industrial purpose and for thermal power project. Treat effluent before they are drained into river or lakes. Last but not the least is through domestic water. We can save domestic water by checking loss of water that dripped off due to wastage, leakage and defective pipes. Create awareness among people to use less water for washing cars and clothes. Install water saving taps and other such sanitary ware in toilets. Use kitchen water for cleaning floors and watering plants. What is water cycle? Water cycle is the process of evaporation, condensation, precipitation and transpiration. How can we do rainwater harvesting, or what is rainwater harvesting? Rainwater harvesting is a process of collecting rainwater from rooftop and directing into an appropriate location and storing it for future use. That's all for today. Have a good day. Have a nice day. Thank you.